Hey guys, it's Gigi. So today I wanted to just do an old-fashioned chit-chat, talk through, get ready with me video, but using all new products. So I just got home from New York and I had a ton of boxes that came through PR and stuff like that. And also I've had a bunch of products just sitting and laying in my beauty room that I haven't used yet. So the first thing on my face, Avi, I have a face mask on. I don't know if I've ever actually done one on my channel, which is so weird because literally they're like my favorite things to do ever. So when I saw this Glam Glow Gravity Mud Firming Treatment Mask, it is the tiniest little mask you could possibly get ever, but I saw this pink when I put it on my face. I was like, bitch, I'm living. I'm a little broken out right now, so I hope that everything after I peel this baby off, it gets a little bit more flat and just helps me out. It says 20 to 30 minutes, so I'm going to go make a coffee and come back in 30 minutes. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes and I still feel a little bit tacky, but I feel like it's dry enough. Let's just do this. I never get a full clean peel with a mask, so we're gonna see. Yes, new forehead. I'm gonna go wash the excess of this off and put on a little moisturizer and then come back and we can get started. Okay, so I love that mask. I feel amazing. My skin feels so clean. My breakouts I feel like are still a little bit dutty, but not as bad as I thought before I put the mask on. I'm going to be using this Dermalogica Hydra Blur Primer. And this is a primer that my makeup artist uses on me, but I've never used it on myself, so it is a new product to me. I'm gonna take like that much because I'm kind of wanting to do like a matte fantasy today. And I'm gonna focus it a lot on my nose because that's where I get the most oily, and on my chin, my T-zone. Before foundation, I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Stick. And this is also a product that's been used on me before, but I've never ever used it myself. I just love stick foundation. It's so easy to do and it's like so convenient. You just roll it down, there's like literally no mess. This is shade Y445. I'm gonna be kind of crazy with that. I mean, as you can see, it's like really dark, but putting it on my neck, it's gonna make me as tan as my body. The only thing, it just smells nasty to me. I mean, I'm sorry, the formula is amazing and the color range is dope, but I don't know what it smells like. It just smells like plastic or something. So you guys know me, I'm gonna go in with a full coverage today. So I'm kind of living for this look right now. I'm gonna blend it out with one of the new Beauty Blender colors. They came out with their new foundation bounce and they launched a bunch of different colors of Beauty Blenders. So I've been seeing a lot of comments recently on my Instagram and on my YouTube. Oh, I just miss the days when Gigi used to do her own makeup. And I'm like, okay, girl, just because I found someone that I like to do my makeup does not mean I'm not doing mine anymore. I do my makeup like almost every single day. For the longest time, I like did not trust anyone to do my makeup because I was so particular about it, but then I finally found someone and I'm like, girl, why wouldn't I use somebody like to do my makeup? Oh, I love how this foundation is blending out. It's so pretty. So I have 3 of the concealers here. They're all really light, but I feel like because the face is kind of looking a little dark and orange, I like just brightening it up with some concealer. Okay, I'm gonna go for the top one just because I'm feeling a little bit extra. I love the Born This Way foundation, Shadow Jackie Aina. You turned out the new shade range, and I like to put a lot of this concealer on, but I feel like just one little swipe of this literally did like 2 huge swipes of what I usually would do. So that's pretty impressive. And if this coverage is anything like the foundation, I'm probably gonna be in love and need this forever. Okay, so I'm actually really happy with the way this is looking. Might be my new go-to. Oh my God, also, can I just show you guys, my friend Alan in New York City gave me this Tom Ford fucking fabulous perfume, and I've been wanting this forever. It smells so good. Oh. They have so many fragrances, but when I saw this online, I thought it was fake, but then I remembered that Tom Ford does like the Tuscan leather, and if anybody doesn't know about that scent, look it up. I learned about it through like a Drake song, but when I saw fucking fabulous, I was like, bitch, I need it, and it's even better in person. So to set today, I'm gonna be using the Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder. And this one is in translucent, I believe. I feel like more setting powders need to have that like turn up. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? Where it's like grates, they're like little metal knives and you turn it and then it like, I know Smashbox had that, but I think it was like for like powder foundation. This is just like the bane to my existence. Just getting enough setting powder out of the little thing. So what I like to do now, once I've kind of like pressed all the areas that I really want set, I take what's left in the little cap here and a big brush like this, and I just dab it, make sure that foundation is locked and loaded for the 120-degree weather I'm going to be facing in Vegas later. And now that I feel like I look flat like an absolute piece of paper, I'm gonna be going in with a technique that I've not used before. This is Studio Fix in shade NW50. I'm gonna warm up my face with this. I've been using a lot of bronzers and I feel like sometimes they look super muddy and my cheeks end up looking super gray. So I thought, why not get the face powder that I love, but just in a really, really, really dark shade. But I feel like if I just use the right amount of this, it won't be too crazy, but I guess we'll see. Hopefully I don't fuck my face up. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that. I don't really know what look I wanna do today yet, but now that I have the base down, I kinda just wanna do like a sunset. Ooh, that looks pretty. Oh my God. Am I a makeup artist? Oh my God, do you see how dark my roots are, by the way? I cannot. I've been trying to let my hair grow out and I really didn't realize how dark. Look at the back. Like, that is crazy to me. I'm a brunette. What I wanted to do now are my brows. I've been using the Anastasia Dip Brow for years at this point, so I'm a little bit nervous to go in with this product. This is the Givenchy Crayon Eyebrow Pencil in 02 Blonde. I got microblading, I guess, a year ago, and it's literally all worn off, but I'm really happy about it because I look back on videos and I was like, girl, they were looking crazy. I went into the place and I thought I knew what I wanted. She's like, I would recommend this color. I was like, no, I'm gonna go darker. It looked good when I had my makeup done, but if I didn't, it was like awful. So for this shade being blonde, it's actually pretty dark, which I like. I'm not mad at it. That's cute. Okay, so moving on to eyes. This is probably what I've been the most excited for in this video. This is the Zodiac collection from ColourPop. ColourPop X Kathleen Lights. I just thought this packaging was so cute with like the little double doors here. But I'm gonna go in with the palette, which looks like this. So obviously I am biased. I'm gonna be going in with a little bit of Taurus, which is like the best transition shade for me ever. Spray tan or not. I'm just gonna be taking that on a fluffy brush and we're just gonna be buffing that into the crease. Whenever I do my transition shade, I kind of go buck wild with it. I don't just keep it in the socket, even like on the to my nose, like just everywhere. And oh my God, so something that I've been really stressed out about recently. Okay, so being from Toronto, I have a Canadian driver's license, right? One night, randomly, I don't know where or when, I lost it. I think I was like out at a club or something because obviously when you go up to the club, you just take your ID, your makeup, your compact, your lipstick, your cell phone. I must have dropped it or something and I didn't know for months. Like I literally was just driving and one time I got pulled over. I was like, oh my God, sorry officer, I like don't have my license. Like what am I to do? And then I was like, okay, when I get home, I have to find my license because I can't be driving around. I could get in like serious trouble, right? I get home, I tear the house apart. It is officially gone. So since then, my car has just been sitting in my driveway. It's the saddest thing ever. I haven't started it in forever, so it literally probably doesn't even start. You guys know I also like personalize my car. It says Gigi on it, and it's breaking my heart that I can't drive it. So, cut to months later, now is the point where I have to take the test, and I'm kind of gagging about it because I failed my first time when I was 16 years old. I failed the written and I failed the actual in-car driving test. Just wish me luck, please. I've been to the DMV here, it's fucking awful. I'm also gonna take a little bit of Taurus and just bring it under my eyes. Nothing special. Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Aries. I'm being so biased, Taurus, Aries. I'm a cusp on Taurus and Aries. I'm gonna go in with a little smaller of a dome brush and just take that in my crease more so. So right before I go in with the liquid glitter, which I'm so excited about, I'm gonna do a little bit of Scorpio. I'm gonna just take it really, really light because I don't know how dark this is, but just to like deepen that up a little bit. And then I'm gonna go on the bottom and do the same thing. Also, I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit, well, as much as I can, about upcoming projects. And I know it's like the most annoying thing to hear, like, I can't talk about it just yet, but things are coming. I'm very, very, very excited for the end of this year. I have 2 very special projects that are very close to my heart, just like the most extremely close to my heart thing that I could do. One, I can tell you, has to do with makeup. You guys saw that I was in the lab. It was my first time in a makeup lab. Oh no, second time, but like this is like major. I posted about it and I was told to take it down. So I was like, oh my God, okay, gag, but like everybody already saw it. That I can say. The other thing is something I've wanted to do for a very, very, very long time, and something that takes longer than like a lot of things take, but I just had a meeting while I was in New York. All I'm gonna say is I've been writing a lot recently, just like things that come to my mind. Maybe soon you guys will be able to read me. Now I'm gonna go in with the Supernova shadow in Constellation, and I'm gonna take that and put it on the back of a little brush and put it on there just so I can have a little bit more control with it. Oh my God, look at that. This reminds me a lot of the Stila Magnificent Metals, but a little bit more wet. Oh my God, I love this. And I'm just gonna create kind of like a round shape. I'm gonna go in with a little pencil brush and saliva it up, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of that and put it on my inner tear duct. You guys know I love a bright tear duct, like physically need it or else I just don't feel complete. For blush, I'm gonna go in with the Nikari. I always call them Nikapikapari. I don't know why, I just do. That's just how my brain reads it. This is called Bayrite Rose. Bayrite Rose? Bayrite. And it's a gorgeous, gorgeous color. And I'm gonna go in kind of like angular and then bring it to the apples of my cheeks. I like the blush to kind of act as like a little bit of contour. I think it looks gorgeous. This is almost like built-in highlighter if you want like more of a natural look, which Avi, I'm not going for today. Now moving on to lashes. Today I'm gonna be using the House of Lashes pair in style Natalia. And if any of you guys didn't know, Nat's full name is actually Natalia. So while these bad boys are drying, I'm going to be going in with this new highlighter. This packaging is so beautiful. Tom Ford just kills it, like all over. So this is like a little trio package, something that I would have never really liked before. I mean, it's just Tom Ford, so I'm like, why not give it a try? I'm gonna be taking a highlighting brush and going in with the one on top. Oh wow, that's pretty. All right, so the lashes are on, and while those dry, I mean, I'm living. I have no mascara on right now, so I'm just gonna go in with the Brooklyn & Bailey Lash Next Door. Okay, so final step, I'm going to be using this Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I've heard such great things about this, and this has been used on me because I've used a lot of powder and I feel like it's looking a little bit cakey. It just makes everything kind of like blend together. So I'm gonna do a healthy portion of that. So for lips today, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Liquid to Matte Lipstick, and this one is in shade Bombshell. I've actually never tried one of these lipsticks before in my life. These smell amazing. So I love the feeling of this product already, but I want to do a little bit more BAM effect. So Becca just launched a line with Chrissy Teigen, and I went to the party in Malibu. It was everything. They gave away these like really, really luxurious robes in like the most gorgeous like brown caramel spray tan color. So I'm gonna go in with Beach Nectar. This one's like very, very glittery, and I feel like it's gonna amp up this look. Oh yeah, gorge. This is definitely what I wanted for the lip. That lip duo is everything. I am just going to let my hair down really fast. Sorry, give me a second. Oh, so much better. So that is all for today's video. I feel like all the products I used today were really good. I don't even have anything bad to say at all. Let me spray some more of this fucking fabulous. Oh my God. Too much, too much. It's not Flower Mom. Let me know if you guys enjoy watching this kind of video where I try all new products. I thought it was really fun. Don't forget to subscribe and click the little bell down below so you get notifications when I post. But until I see you guys next time, stay gorgeous.